like wind. Clouds suck. It's a little bit chilly. We're in Austin, Texas, and this is the dam that creates Town Lake behind me. I left some gum behind my ear last night, and then I fell asleep with it, and now, like, it's all stuck in my hair. You can't really tell it's a disaster anyways. I'm ready to get out of here. It's not gonna lighten up. Charging setup is pretty sweet. Batteries were going dead. What am I gonna do? Throw them in the back, yo. Well, obviously they ride a lot of bikes. I used to love riding bikes, so I'm just kind of checking it out, and I feel like a road bike is more what I'm looking for, but this was just in the parking lot. Really impressive. They've got a number system and a camera store. Those creative centers all over the country are generally big cities, and there's like camera stores, so all I need is a battery, but I like coming in here because these people are full of a wealth of knowledge. $70 for a Canon battery. I have two. Just spent $400 to get the drone fixed. $50 for the monthly payment to Adobe Creative Cloud. Whatever. No battery today. Now I'm just kind of using their lights. We gotta go. Sunlight's still the best if you can utilize it. What I was saying about those creative centers is the reason that like artists and whatever all decide to live in the same place in big cities is because you can collaborate at that point. So when you need an editor, a colorist, somebody to go shoot something, you know, they're all here. I feel grungy, man. This gum is like kind of bothering me. If I remember correctly, my mom always used baby oil to get gum out of like hair and sheets. I'm not so concerned about the hair as I am the sheets on the bed that I'm borrowing. Target's like a Walmart for yuppies. They charge for bags. So at that self-checkout, they ask, did you bring your own bag? And if you say no, you gotta pay for it. There was one down in H-E-B that I had to do that on. It was like 41 cents to get a bag to put the stuff that I just bought in it. Like that used to be included in the price. Whatever. Make the world a better place in whatever way you can. I'm just happy that we got some baby oil, yo. Hey, so big props to Target. They got an entire roof full of solar panels. Probably enough to run like the entire store. I'm very impressed by that. I mean, they might make you pay for shopping bags, which Walmart will probably never do, but I highly doubt if they're running Walmart stores on solar panels yet. Low prices every day, and fossil fuels are a lot cheaper to make electricity still. That's what I'm talking about. $2.69 a gallon. hair.
Oh,
that's what it felt like last night.
Ripping
like,
out of
ripping
your head.
out.
Did you have to like grab the pillow and yank it off of your head? That's what happens when you invite Colin Baggett into your home.
Pretty sure it came off. Scrape it off with a knife. Put the baby oil on a rag. Rub it all out real good. And then it leaves behind like these oil stains, so you gotta make sure to wash those out. And the hair, not too worried about it. I can cut it off. Check this out. These are the masters at work. The part of movie making that nobody gets to see.
Ooh, lordy!
You had it, and you got help.
Will you let us out of this edit room, please?
Never.
Never.
No, only for your shoot. Then you gotta come back and stay at his desk. Alright, so now I'm on a mission. We gotta go buy a backup 5D Mark IV. Back at Precision Camera. Well, this is the second time I've come to Precision Camera today and not bought anything because I was sent with a credit card and they asked for my ID and I was just honest and told them it wasn't me and they didn't want to give me the camera. But we could have placed the order online. And then he said he wouldn't even let me pick it up if it had been paid for. So whoever's paying for it has to actually be present to buy anything. Whatever. Maybe Best Buy has it. Gotta get in gear, yo. This is ridiculous. Traffic jam at 1 p.m. So obviously I'm a little bit bitter right now, but I gotta give Best Buy props. Their camera department has some very knowledgeable guys running it. And they in fact do not have a 5D Mark IV with C-Log. So we gotta order it. And I don't think the one at Precision Camera had it either. And they just didn't know or wanted to sell a camera or something. With the blue bonnet. So this morning I kind of started out like sitting on a rock looking at a dam and not really knowing what to do. Something I always struggle with is why am I creating what I'm doing? Why am I doing what I'm doing? And I believe for all of us, we're trying to create something. Especially with video, we're sharing a unique perspective on the world. It's how we see it through our eyes. Our experiences shape us into who we are, and that's wisdom comes from experience. I heard a saying that wisdom is learning from your mistakes, and experience is making those mistakes. I think that's how it went. The bluebonnet's the Texas state flower, and they're blooming all over the place. Even the highways are kind of lined with them, and there's some parts where there's big, giant fields, kind of like the one I'm sitting in right now. It's kind of been a crazy day, just basically driving all over Austin, but it's so cool that actually what I did for fun ended up getting repeated for work this afternoon. It kind of makes you feel good. No border wall, I definitely know there's work going on.